coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one from Kenko Foods. It's their vegetarian miso. This came out of an Umai Crate subscription box. You can go to japancrate.com, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. What we got here? We got a seasoning, and we have a noodle block, 3 minutes, 500 mils of water. Woo, woo, woo. And there we are. So yeah. Today I'm wearing my weird hat that I got yesterday. And this may be the only time you see it unless I'm doing other weird things. But yeah. So why is that? It's because I'm using an ingredient that I've never used before. And I think it's kind of weird. So we got a little community pantry over here, and I've donated a ton of stuff to it. AKA lots of instant noodles, and I go by there and I look because it's just like, it's kind of like the little tray at the convenience store. Have a penny, give a penny, need a penny, take a penny, that kind of thing. So it's like I look in there and see if there's something interesting that might benefit the show from time to time. Generally don't find anything, but yesterday we were walking by and I saw a well, I need a new fork. I saw a canned ham, and I was like, canned ham? Interesting, fascinating, weird, wild stuff. So, brought home a canned ham, and earlier I fried it up. I tasted it. It's not bad. It's not the same as Spam, but not a lot different, because when you can meat like that, it kind of gets the consistency of cat food. It's like it's in a goo, you know. It said packed with natural water, like instead of synthetic water. I don't know, but I tend to use the regular one. What is it? 2 oxygen and 1 hydrogen. But no, 2 hydrogen. No, H2O is water, O2 is oxygen, right? I don't know. No, I'm talking water. So 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. But anyways, it's 8 in the morning, and stuff's getting done. I got up at 4. Oh, I did a whole bunch of stuff this morning. Got some new intros done for the show, which you'll be probably seeing another one on this one. And there's another one that I did a long time ago. I had to clean up my folders. So when I do an episode, here's a little background or behind the scenes of how this show works. I've got a folder called Piss. Literally, that's what it's called. Because when I name folders, I just call them like piss and poop and barfo and stuff like that. But sometimes they stick and I end up using them for a long time. So that's the piss folder. Anyways, shush, no. And yeah, so every time I do a show, I make a folder with the date. So this will be 0428, you know. And the deal is I eventually have to like clean all that junk up, because I had folders going all the way back to January 1st. So I cleaned that up this morning. The only thing I didn't get done that I really wanted to get done this morning was I wanted to get new music for the show, and hopefully I'll get up early tomorrow and be able to do that. Oh, what's that? I think that's another Umai crate on the way. It's crazy. It's like I do unboxings, I do reviews. Once in a blue moon, I'll do a mukbang. I've got one ready to go. Well, I've got the packs. I need to do the, what do you call it? The bulldog curry. I've done it before, but it's been a long time, and they've got new packaging and everything for it. So Noodles alright. Broth. Hey! Simmer down, please. Okay? Miles, don't pull on Mimi's shirt. She's got to wear that to school. Yeah, leave her shirt alone, you thug. Come on. Be a nice guy. It's nice guy day, Miles. You don't want it to be timeout day, kid. Uh-oh. One moment. Don't say that to your sister. Knock it off. Be quiet. Sit up. Both of you. Sit up. Sit up. You'll be good and listen? Yes. Thank you. Love you. Sorry, folks, but the show comes second to the parenting. So, where are we? Here's some more pork. I don't think I'll use the blowtorch on the pork, honestly. On the canned ham. I already fried the heck out of it, so. We got a couple eggs here. Let's see how these are looking. It's been a day or two since I made them, so they might not look as fresh and friendly as I prefer, but it's not too bad for a couple days. I'm only using one today, so boop, boop. That's the noise eggs make when they're dropped. They go boop. And we got some sprouts over here. The next one I'm doing is going to be interesting. It's another one from a subscription box. I know, you're probably like, dude, enough with the subscription boxes already. But hey, it's a great way for me to tell you about somebody's product, and a great way for me to get noodles to review, let me tell you. Oh, that didn't work all that well. You can go away. And some more sesame seed. So yeah, some miso. Putting that on? I did. I wonder it's so hot in here. It's getting hot in here. So get yourself a sandwich. All right, Rotato, do your stuff. All right, well, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, the next one we're going to have is from a company out of Vietnam called Simply Food. This is the Hutu Lam Vong Phnom Penh style rice noodles. It came out of an Exotic Nudes box. You can go to exoticnudes.com, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider, get yourself a discount. And that will conclude our series of weird, because I'm only doing we're out of canned ham, so we got one more thing to do with canned ham, and yeah, have a good one. Bye bye.